Hey everyone, just finished another surfing session. It's going well. It's going better than I thought it would. I'm able to catch more waves, pop up faster. I'm faster on my feet. So yeah, I'm very pleased with the way things are progressing. Unfortunately, during one of my numerous and more spectacular wipeouts, I fell on my GoPro with my full body weight. So my GoPro is mounted on my surfboard here, and it can face the water or it can face the surfer. And to make it waterproof, it's housed in this protective case. So during my wipeout, well, one of many wipeouts, I fell on it. I broke the case, so essentially I rendered my GoPro useless in the water. It's no longer waterproof. So I have some footage, and the quality is very poor. It's very foggy. And unfortunately, I can't order another one because I won't be home to receive it. So I'm going to stop using the GoPro in the water. I want to preserve it for, I have a trip coming up. I'm going to go to a bunch of national parks and monuments and a bunch of states. I don't know the details yet. I don't know where I'll end up, and that's part of the fun. So I want to use my GoPro on my trip, and I'll just continue surfing without it. It's the end of the season for me anyway. I'm not going to come back to California this year. I will most likely return in May because the water gets cold between now and then. So yeah, I'm just going to keep surfing, keep getting better, learn as much as I can, and take it very seriously next year. I love it. I'm so grateful that I discovered it. It's an amazing sport. It's the most fun I've had. I feel like a kid when I'm out there. All right, cheers, laters. Oh, I just realized I'm not wearing a hat. I can't wait to see that footage. Is that any better? Probably not. Oh well. So sad. But it's okay. I'll keep surfing, I'll keep practicing, I'll keep getting better. I'll probably come back next May when the water warms up again and pick it up from there. All right, signing out. Cheers.